Anything at 7 rupees for Vodafone is good news. Let me put it this way. I mean, the stock is beaten down. It's just been beaten down profusely. And anything which is incremental positive could certainly have a big move for Vodafone Idea. Now, what is the impact of the news here? The impact of the news here is that, of course, Vodafone, they have a large debt. And if they do not have to give that bank guarantee, because Vodafone Idea is now a government company, hardly owned by, the AB Birla Group in terms of the large and the majority ownership, which means when government guarantee is not being given, cash flow would be released, and that in a sense will help companies operating interest outgo, and it will have an impact on the bottom line. That's one. Second, this also could be an indirect indication coming from the government that they really want the franchise to revive and survive, because ultimately it's the government which now, in a sense, will, since they are the majority owner here, whatever decision making which would be done at the center with regards to Vodafone Idea surely will have an impact on the government's commitment to it. The problem with Vodafone Idea is that once bitten, twice shy. It's a stock when they raised money via, when they raised money earlier this year, the who's who had really invested in it, and they've really burned their finger. So every time the stock's going to go higher, you are likely to see a meaningful supply. So this news surely will have a rub-off effect for Vodafone Idea in terms of the signal coming from the government, in terms of an incremental improvement in their cash flow and the interest outgo. But the supply, and because the equity value of Vodafone Idea was bloated after this fundraise, the supply is just going to be unlimited in the short term. So is this the turn for Vodafone Idea? Well, the stock can surely stop falling. But any incremental big appreciation of 10-15% in the near term for next couple of weeks and for next couple of months may just run into resistance of supply.
Enviro Infra Engineers Limited now proposes an initial public offer of its equity shares. The 100% book built issue is being offered at a price band of rupees 140 to rupees 148 per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. Issue opens on Friday, November 22nd, 2024. Issue closes on Tuesday, November 26th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the Red Herring Prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, stock exchanges and the BRLM, Hem Securities Limited.